So we are starting to make. You need the 2 pieces of aluminum foil and 1 pencil. Now what you need to do is just you have the bigger side, this bigger side. In this side you need to just wrap from the top, from here. So I'm going to do this. Okay guys, I wrapped with the aluminum foil. Now I will do again wrap with another aluminum foil to make it more good touch screen. We need to do that. So I'll pause it and wrap because I'm holding my camera with my one hand, so I cannot work with one hand. So look guys, I have made it. This is my touch pen. You should make this side really smooth to work it, otherwise it's not going to work. So I will demo it. I'll demo this pen in my iPad. Look, this is what it's working. Look. Okay, let's open YouTube. So guys, isn't it amazing? If you like it, and it's really simple also. So if you like it, then please put the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button too. So I hope you like this video. In my next video I'm going to make a touchpad for a PUBG mobile. You can see the picture. In my next video I'm going to show